Chai. Doris Mae in the gold cap. Dendera walks forward. Dendera's in. Amanda Rose in the blue. Wedding Chapel on the far side. Here's a beater. Heaven's Ghost is the grey. Square Fun the last one. Heaven's Ghost goes in. Here's Square Fun. Coming up. Going in. They're all in. And away they go. Gianna's Wildcat broke quickly. On the outside, Wedding Chapel is right there. On the far side, going up to join them now is Gianna's Wildcat and Dendera at the rail. There goes Square Fun to take third. Doris Mae in the goals up to fourth, back to Amanda Rose in the blue. Don't you forget in the white colours, 6 lengths race off these leaders. Avatar racing alongside of that, a big gap of 5 back to Yisrael Chai and Heaven's Ghost. Coming now to the quarter pole. Out on the lead now we have Gianna's Coat down at the rail, but Doris Mae now going along the inside to take them on as well. On the far side we have Wedding Chapel being followed by Square Fun, and coming after them late is Don't You Forget in the blue cat. They come for home. Gianna's Wildcat gets the lead. Gianna's Wildcat goes for home, inching clear a length and a half, and it's all Gianna's Wildcat as they run down to the wire. Gianna's Wildcat will win it easily. Wedding Chapel holds second. Don't You Forget running on third, and then Doris Mae. The unofficial result, winner number 6, Gianna's Wildcat. Second, number 8, Wedding Chapel. Third, number 1, Don't You Forget. And fourth, number 7, Doris Mae. Result is official. In the 5th race today, scratch the also eligibles 13 and 14. Now entering the winner's circle, number 6, Gianna's Wildcat. She's a 2-year-old bay filly by Minister's Wildcat out of Mama Cat. She's owned by Sunnyside Capital Ventures. Winning trainer is Howard Zucker. The winning rider, Jessica Pfeiffer. The winner was bred in California by Papagallo Racing.